Good evening, everybody. As the days are passing, we have our updated results. We have with us today Anmol Parihar, who is a dropper batch student, who's an ex-student of Christchurch Boys. And Anmol secured a rank of All India rank of 633 in general category. And first of all, Anmol, all the best. How are you feeling?
Thank you, sir. I am feeling really great.
And Anmol, I'll just like to elaborate this interview as in CLAT happened, was postponed a lot of times, and during that, what was your feeling? And due to the pandemic, we could not have physical classes, so we shifted it to online. So what was your overall experience with scholars?
It was really great. At the start, I was feeling really perplexed because this was the first time that all of us were facing such a thing. But scholars managed it really well by taking online classes, and it was a similar experience.
Okay, so Anmol, what I would like to ask you is, you were selected in all the colleges at Symbiosis.
Yes.
Even Symbiosis changed its pattern this year. So what about the preparation, the interview prep that you got here? Tell us something about that. We'll talk about CLAT also.
It was really special because for the interview, the teachers took my mock interview, late in the night at around 1 or 2, and it really helped me to crack the interview.
Okay. So before people start claiming you maybe for a free test that you would have given, I would just like to ask, in Jabalpur, so you hail from Jabalpur, born and brought up in Jabalpur?
Born in Mumbai.
Okay, and brought up in Jabalpur.
Yes.
Right. So, Anmol, I mean, there are a number of so-called national brands in Jabalpur. So, why didn't you join them and preferred joining scholars instead?
There are some specific reasons for that because the first reason is they focus not especially on CLAT but on different exams like CAT, MBA exams and different. But in scholars I found that they specialize in CLAT coaching. They specialize in giving specific training to CLAT students, and the thing is they really offer personalized what can I say, personalized instructions and personalized guidance.
Okay, so usually drop year is a time when you're full of a lot of ups and downs and emotions, and there is a real dropper's dilemma and a dropper's stress, and I hope everybody faced it because of the pandemic. So I hope there would have been ups and lows during your preparation. So how did you cope up with that?
I felt really low at the starting, and it was really difficult for me, but the teachers helped me. They guided me on how to deal with stress, how to deal with different types of problems.
Okay, I remember COVID sir taking your stress test and anxiety test and honesty test. Okay, so all the very best. At last, what is the word of advice that you would give to all your fellow, because as we fondly used to call you, the pony boy. So are you cutting your hair now?
I am planning to cut my hair.
No, but I think that would look actually great when you go to the NLUs ahead. You'll stand out in your bohemian style. We really wish that you get one of the top NLUs, and we really wish you success in life. And the last advice that you'd like to give to your fellow Christchurchians and Aloysians, I'm an Aloysian myself, and to all the aspirants, whether class 11th or 12th or dropper aspirants of Jabalpur and nearby areas?
The only advice which I would like to give to them is just believe in yourself. You can do it, and if you don't believe in yourself, I don't think anyone can help you.
Okay. Thank you, Anmol, and I hope you have a nice journey ahead in NLUs. Thank you so much.